Hello everyone, this is Giraffe Dad / Professor Lego, and what we have today is the Technic motorcycle. This is the street motorcycle. It's got 375 pieces. Now, we bought this on Amazon and we opened it up already. Sorry everybody, we opened it up. The reason why we bought this was not for this video. We bought this for these wheels. We're right in the middle of first Lego League. Build Kid is doing first Lego League, and we need these wheels for the competition bot. So I bought this kit thinking we could have extra pieces plus these wheels. These are the best wheels for the first Lego League. So if you're building a robot for that competition, buy this kit. This is the street motorcycle, and it was about $30 on Amazon. So buy that up. You'll come with 373 other parts, other pieces. So I think it's a pretty good deal. These wheels alone sell for $15 to $20 on eBay. So buying the full kit, the whole $30, that's not too bad. So let's open it up and start a build. So I just took some masking tape and recovered it a little bit here. Okay, so let's see. Here are all the pieces. There's the wheels that we're using for the first Lego League. And there we go. Nothing else in the box. See? So, put that back there. Can you see that? Yep. So here's the sticker sheet. Pretty nice. That's a lot of stickers. Well, it's a motorcycle with a lot of emblems on it and everything else. Here's booklet number 1, booklet number 2. Two different designs. This is a 2-in-1 build. So you can either build the Japanese motorcycle or the hot rod motorcycle. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, I like the hot rod as well, but the Japanese motorcycle also looks pretty cool. Put that aside. Big fan of Hondas. So here is their bag 1. Let's see. Here are 4 bags. Bunk, 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 bunk. There you go. There's the Technic street motorcycle. Okay, so we're back. Take a look at this thing. For $30, I don't think you can get a bigger set. Not only is it big, but look at this. The shocks, you got front suspension, you got rear suspension, you got a chain that goes into a whole bunch of cogs that we showed you before, and then it's got working pistons. Not only is it these two that you can see, but then there's another two up front that you can barely see. I mean, what's the point of having those pistons up front? If you were just doing it, if Technic was doing it just to prove a point that they had pistons, then you would just do them up here, right? Why would you do twin V's in the Superbike? I mean, that's just unbelievable. Then, I like all the body molding. The stickers are nice. It covers up a lot of the Technic-ness of it and gives more of a outer body. The steering is fantastic. It's, you know, very... I don't know much about motorcycles, but I watch the motorcycle television shows because I like how people make things. And when people make motorcycles, I've seen this exact same mechanisms in the real bikes. So obviously they really studied real bikes quite a bit to get that realistic steering and to get that chain working, get this angle for the back arm, for the suspension. I mean, that is all fantastic stuff. One thing I don't like, I was putting these on, these like exhaust pipes. I think it's pointless. If you had the exhaust pipes up to here and then back here you had like mufflers, I would get that. But I don't like this extra piece of chrome. Kind of takes it away. I don't like it at all. It brings it back your eye up to here, and then you know the mufflers are up here, but there's no connection between here and these mufflers. So I don't like that. Move the mufflers down here maybe, and then you know hide this back panel a little further closer to the seat. I think that would be better. The tank is could, you know, the technicness of the tank isn't all that great. You know, they have these panels here to try to give it a little bit of curvature. I think they could have went with either bigger versions of this, you know, and cap it over, kind of like these black pieces, have bigger versions, and then just kind of have it come together, and then have one rib instead of these two ribs. I like the kickstand, you know, that way it can stand up. That's kind of cool. Or it can come back and then you can just drive it. I mean, this thing is meant to be played with. Diamond Build Kid's gonna have a heck of a lot of time, or a heck of a lot of fun playing with this. Again, these wheels, they're fantastic. Lego, use more of these wheels. These wheels are the best. Put them in all kinds of different places. Motorcycles make sense, you know, they're skinny and large at the same time, but find a way to use these wheels. These wheels are just the bomb. And what else can I say? I like the front, you know, I like the front covers the steering but doesn't go with the steering. I think most motorcycles are like that. So overall, 30 bucks. Maybe it was 35 bucks on Amazon. Take a look on Amazon. If you want, ask me and I'll post a link on it. But man, you can't go wrong. So I highly recommend it. That is set number 42036, ages 9 to 16. My son is 9, but he definitely could have built this last year. You know, it depends on the skill of your child. You know, the next thing we'll probably do is build the alternate, because I think you know, it's got the V is going to be outboard of the actual hub of the motorcycle. I think that's going to make the pistons look better. This tailpipe to the muffler, that's kind of cooler. I like the way the suspension is set up this way. I've seen this done on one of the motorcycle shows where this is a solid pipe and this is a spring, and it has just as much travel, but it's a neater mechanism. Instead of just going straight down to the shocks, you know, the shocks going straight down to the wheels have like this triangle pivot point. So it pivots from here, goes up, and goes into the spring mechanism. Find that very fascinating. Find that really, you know, amazing that Lego put that much effort into this. For just a motorcycle kit. I mean, you could just say, oh, it's just another motorcycle kit. I've seen motorcycle kits from Lego, the ones around the $15, $20 mark. I mean, for $10 more, this is an amazing set. Amazing set. And again, these wheels on eBay were ranging around $15 for me. Okay? There was knockoff versions because, of course, you know, there's people need these wheels. So $15, you bump that up to $30, you get an amazing kit. Okay? Amazing. So I give it 2 huge thumbs up. 2 huge thumbs ups. Whoop. 2 huge thumbs ups. Because I was thoroughly surprised. One, I didn't figure that this was going to be this big. I didn't think it was going to have this many pieces. I didn't think it was going to take this much time to build. Fantastic. All of it. Perfect. This is an amazing build. Highly surprised on how good this set is. I chalked it up as another Lego Technic motorcycle kit, and I am blown away. I'm blown away on how much you can get for $30. You know, I've gotten $30 Minecraft kits. You can't have this much fun with a $30 Minecraft kit. This you can drive around the house. I mean, it's large enough that you can have, you get both hands, you get that hand up on there, you get a big, you know, you get maybe even a doll. You put a doll up on the back seat or action figure or something like that. You put that up here, you can drive around. My daughter, that's 4 years old, she's gonna put some sort of doll on here and drive around the entire house and think, yeah, this is the most amazing kit as well. So we're gonna get a lot of enjoyment out of this. And then on top of that, these wheels are gonna live again with the first Lego League robot, competition robot. So if you're in first Lego League, buy this. One, for the pure enjoyment of the, you know, $30, but in the second, these wheels, we've been experimenting with these wheels in first Lego League competition robot, and absolutely these are the wheels you need to have. We had the big old-fashioned Technic wheels that I had as a kid, back from like in the early 80s, those giant monster tire trucks. Yeah, no, these are the wheels we're going with. 2 wheels with a third, that's what we're going to use with the competition robot. But again, back to this, buy it. If you're a fan of Lego or Technic or motorcycles, buy this kit. This is an amazing kit, and not expected to be good. Amazing. Thanks everybody for watching. Here's the quote of the day from Franklin Roosevelt. Above all, try something. We tried this and we were surprised. Again, this is Professor Lego and Just Build It. Bye-bye everybody.